Welcome. In this video, I share how I created this tray from this cardboard box. Keep watching. Instead of discarding this cardboard, I decided to make a simple tray. I used masking tape for the uneven edges. I used scrapbook paper and brown craft paper for this project. I measured and pre-cut the pieces for this tray and braided some brown craft paper and set it aside until I was ready to glue it to the outside. I glued scrapbook paper to the outside bottom and brown paper to the outside perimeter so that the color wouldn't show through in case there were gaps when I applied the paper braids. Then I glued the pre-cut scrapbook paper pieces to the inside. Now it's time to glue the paper braids. I glue one row at a time. I'll overlap braids when the braid runs out and continue until I finish that row. I continue until the outside is covered. Thank you for watching so far. If you would, please like, comment, and subscribe. It will really help this channel grow. Use small scraps of brown paper to fill in any gaps if necessary, and add trim to the top. Now the tray is complete. To extend its life due to excessive handling, you may want to consider a sealant like Mod Podge or polyurethane. Use your tray for storage or styling decor. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.